Google has unveiled the Pixel 8 Pro, marking their most significant upgrade in 3 years, and introducing a plethora of exciting features. Here are 20 of these new features. Google has made a substantial leap in the realm of software updates. The Pixel 8 Pro is set to receive 7 years of operating system upgrades and feature enhancements. This isn't just limited to 7 years of security updates. It encompasses 7 years of full-fledged OS updates, meaning that the Pixel 8 series will continue to receive Android updates until 2030, which is nothing short of remarkable. This even surpasses what Apple offers for their iPhones. One noteworthy feature is Zoom Enhance, enabling users to zoom in on images and restore fine details post-capture. This feature employs generative AI to fill in pixel gaps and predict intricate details, resulting in significantly clearer zoomed-in shots. Additionally, the Pixel 8 Pro introduces Video Boost, which elevates HDR video quality, surpassing its previous color grading capabilities. Google showcased a comparison with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, revealing a stark difference in video quality. When using Video Boost for recording, the phone saves 2 files, one for immediate sharing and another known as RAWish, which undergoes processing on Google's servers for enhanced quality. While this process takes a few hours, you'll receive a notification when it's completed. Google is expanding its night sight to videos, offering substantial improvements when recording in low-light conditions. They claim the Pixel 8 Pro to be the market's best phone for low-light smartphone video, which is a significant endorsement. The introduction of Magic Editor brings generative AI-based editing tools directly to your camera. It enables you to manipulate, resize, reposition, eliminate unwanted objects, adjust lighting, and more, all within the camera app. While Photoshop can perform some of these tasks, having them integrated into your camera is a game-changer. For those interested in creative photography, Google is enhancing its Photo Magic Eraser to work with audio as well. You can now effortlessly remove unwanted background sounds from your videos, enhancing their overall audio quality. The Pixel 8 series features Best Take, a software feature that allows you to adjust faces after taking a photo. It works by automatically capturing a series of photos and selecting the best elements from each to create a composite image, ensuring the best possible result every time. Google has an enticing pre-order offer for the Pixel 8 Pro, including a free Pixel Watch 2, retailing at around $350, and potential savings of up to $800 through trade-ins. For the regular Pixel 8, they offer their Buds Pro, making it a compelling deal for interested buyers. Manual camera controls, previously limited in the Pixel camera, have now been expanded in the Pixel 8 Pro. It introduces pro-level, DSLR-like photography, controls for those who want to maximize the camera's capabilities. You can now capture full 50MP resolution images with the Pixel 8 Pro. Google Assistant is getting smarter, with speech recognition improvements, translation of web pages, and an AI-driven keyboard that assists in fixing typos and grammar errors. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a display with an impressive peak brightness of 2400 nits, making it exceptionally visible even in the brightest outdoor conditions. The phone now features a flat display with sleek, uniform bezels, presenting a more appealing front design compared to the previous model. The device's overall design has been rounded and refined, with subtle changes to the camera visor to distinguish it from the previous model. The Pixel 8 Pro also offers faster 30W charging, an improvement from its predecessor's 23W charging, reducing charging times. Google has added a built-in thermometer sensor that measures both body temperature and the temperature of objects like beverages and surfaces, adding a unique feature to the Pixel 8 Pro. The phone's Face Unlock technology has been upgraded to include payment functionality, expanding its usability beyond simply unlocking the device. Camera hardware improvements include a brighter f1.7 lens for the 50MP main camera, a 48MP camera with faster autofocus for the 5x telephoto lens, and a 48MP sensor with a 2cm macro focus for the ultra-wide camera. Notably, features such as Magic Editor, Video Boost, Zoom Enhance, and Google Assistant with Bird are not available at launch, but are expected to be introduced later, likely in December. In conclusion, the Pixel 8 Pro provides insight into Google's future direction for the Pixel line, highlighting the continued advancements in generative AI technology. As smartphone hardware matures, Google's edge lies in its evolving generative AI capabilities. Share your thoughts and stay tuned for more updates. Peace out.